Material in BCRDH that is in textual or document form is visualized in the Internet Archive Bookreader. If you've arrived at a document from a search, no additional search will be needed to find terms of interest at the item level. If you've arrived at an item via browsing, you can search within it by entering your search term here and clicking the magnifying glass. Orange location markers appear at the bottom sliding bar, which show you where instances of your search term are appearing. To navigate through the document, you can use the arrows to move from page to page. You can increase the size of the text by using the magnifying glass with the plus sign, and once magnified, you can click and drag to navigate around the page. 2 new scrolling bars will also have appeared at the side and bottom of the page, which can help you to navigate. You'll see here that the search term has been highlighted in blue, which helps to identify instances of it within the text. Not all documents on BCRDH are print, which means that OCR will not have worked on them. In some cases, materials contain a mix of print and handwritten documents. Navigating these documents will still be done the same way in the Internet Archive Bookreader. However, the in-document search box will not be able to identify instances of a term where it is handwritten. In this case, you will have to manually perform a search through the document.